Let's explore the patentable aspects of 3D printing and microfabrication, two rapidly evolving fields. These technologies are not just transforming manufacturing, they are also creating a complex landscape for intellectual property. The rise of 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, and microfabrication demands a strong understanding of how to protect innovations. Patent protection is crucial in this space to secure market exclusivity and reward the significant investment in R&D. Let's break down the key patentable aspects specific to 3D printing technology. Innovations in the apparatus itself, such as unique mechanical designs or control systems for 3D printers, are highly patentable. New printing materials, including unique filament structures or advanced composite compositions, can secure valuable patents. New methods for additive manufacturing, optimizing layer adhesion, or improving printing speed and precision are all prime patent candidates. Now let's turn our attention to microfabrication and its patentable innovations. In microfabrication, patents are often sought for the functional microscale devices and complex structures themselves, such as micro-electromechanical systems. Innovative fabrication techniques, like new lithography steps or advanced etching processes, are foundational IP in this field. The integration of 3D printing and microfabrication, especially for creating multi-scale devices, opens up brand new areas for patent protection. Understanding how claims are structured is vital for securing strong patent protection. Patents can cover either the method, the steps of how something is made, or the final product itself. Both are important in manufacturing IP. For any patent to be granted, the innovation must be novel, new, and non-obvious to someone skilled in the art. A proactive intellectual property strategy is essential for maximizing the value of your innovations. Decide whether to pursue utility patents for function or design patents for aesthetic features of 3D printed objects. Given the global nature of manufacturing, consider the international scope of patent protection to safeguard your IP across key markets. To wrap up, let's review the main areas for patent protection in 3D printing and microfabrication. Focus your IP strategy on apparatus, unique materials, new methods, and the resulting microscale devices. A thoughtful and comprehensive IP strategy is your best tool for navigating the complexities and capitalizing on the innovations in this exciting tech space.